country. The festival features farmers from all over eastern Ontario and western Quebec who are passing on their knowledge of garlic to their customers. But one of the more popular booths on Saturday featured a company that makes the garlic chopping process a little bit easier, who came all the way from Mississauga.
Cut the root end off. I'll put this inside my garlic peeler. This uses pressure and friction.
The tediousness of peeling and chopping garlic bothered Evan Ruzicki, so he decided to invent a simpler method.
I didn't like how my garlic press worked, so I thought I'd come up with something a little bit more clever, easier to use, and easier to wash.
He travels to garlic festivals all over Ontario, even attending one in California.
Next week we're at Toronto Garlic Festival. We're at Perth Garlic Festival, Stratford Garlic Festival, Sudbury Garlic Festival, Verona Garlic Festival.
But Saturday was his first time in Cornwall, and given the popularity of his booth, he'll likely come back in 2025.
And then there's a little button here, you just push.
Jack Richardson, CTV News, Cornwall.